Hello, NEET aspirants. Let's solve the question from AIPMT 2011 question paper. A parallel plate capacitor has a uniform electric field E in terms of volts per meter in the space between the plates. If the distance between the plate is d meters and the area of each plate is a meter square. Asked to find the formula for the energy stored in the condenser or a capacitor in terms of electric field. We know that the energy stored in the capacitor is given by U is equal to half of CV square, and the equation for the capacitor C is equal to epsilon 0A upon D. On substituting the value of C in the equation for the energy, we get U is equal to half of epsilon 0A upon D into V square. Now, by dividing and multiplying the equation for the energy by D, we get U is equal to half of epsilon 0A into D multiplied by V square upon D square. As E is equal to V upon D, therefore V square upon D square is equal to E square. By replacing V square upon D square by E square, we get U is equal to half of epsilon 0 AD into E square. Therefore, option C is correct. Like, share, comment, and subscribe our channel for neat solved questions. See you in next video. Stay tuned and stay focused.